Managing events has never been easier. With CalGet, you can create and manage events seamlessly, collecting RSVPs and tracking responses in just a few clicks. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process of creating an event, customizing RSVP forms, and gathering valuable attendee information, all in one simple, intuitive platform. Let's get started. Let's create a new event. We'll fill out the event details as normal with all the relevant information such as name, title, location, description, and a link, but this time we will select to collect RSVPs for this event. Now that we've created our event, we can head to the RSVPs tab to confirm that it is active with the ability to collect yeses, maybes, and nos. When people begin to provide their responses for the event, we can collect their response as well as their contact data. In this example, I've created 3 responses: a yes from John Smith, a maybe from Jane Smart, and a no from Jeremy Short. Back in our RSVP tab, we can see this list and we can also export it to a CSV file. This is done by the click of a button and displays all relevant information in columns in a spreadsheet. With CalGet, you can also customize your RSVP forms, such as adding additional fields, rearranging how fields are placed, and deleting fields if they are not required. With CalGet, event management is no longer a hassle. Collecting detailed RSVPs can be done with a few clicks. Plus, the flexibility to customize RSVP forms ensures your event meets all your unique needs. Start organizing smarter today and take the stress out of event planning with CalGet.